Hello friends, today I have taken very good stock for you that will give you very good returns in coming days. Yes, all of my friends, that stock is TWOU Inc. Stock friends, TWOU stock now trading at $2.94 level on July 29th, 2024. Friends, if you want, you can invest now on TWOU stock and you can earn good profit. Incoming these friends, TWOU and company. Market cap is 8.416 million. Friends, TWOU and operates as an online education platform company in the United States, and internationally the company operates through two segments: degree program and alternative credential. The degree program segment provides the technology and services to nonprofit colleges and universities to enable the online delivery of degree programs. This segment targets students seeking an undergraduate or graduate degree. Alternative credential segment of online open courses, executive education programs, technical skills-based boot camps, and my credential programs through nonprofit colleges and universities and other organizations. This segment targets students seeking to raise skill or upskill for career or personal development through shorter duration and lower-priced offerings. It provides a platform that provides technology and technology-enable services in edx.org marketplace SP that allows to access VR catalog of online offerings, which include free offerings and graduate degrees. Company was formerly known as TWOU Incorporated and changed its name to TWOU Inc. in October 2012. TWOU was incorporated in 2018 and is headquartered in Lamb, Maryland. On July 25, 2012, TWOU Inc. along with its affiliates filed a voluntary petition for reorganization under Chapter 11 in the U.S. Banker Court for the Southern District of New York. Friends, TWOU and company related to consumer defensive sector and it's working on education and training services industry. Friends, number of employees working on this company is above 2,961, and the company is headquartered located on Lamb, Maryland, United States. Friends, you can clearly see in chart of TWOU stock the higher price was made on August 2nd, 2023. Price was the do it US dollar. Now TWOU stock available in a very cheap rates, and here is way big opportunity for investment on T chart pattern appearing now. Yes, all of us in TWOU stock bound few days. TWOU stock up move rally. Friend, and now on TWOU stock and on earn and buy TWOU stock as a cash us take a delivery of TWOU sold for next one unto ye. So all of my friend, you can take a position now on TWOU stock and you can earn good years. Friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, because I will AK and you good or my YouTube channel now. Friends, thanks for the watching. Viral value.